Hello. Now let's find the factors of 96. You can take a pause and apply the principles you have learned to find the factors of 96. Now, what did you get when you tried to find the factors of 96? First step you did was to find numbers that multiply into each other to give you 96, right? What are those numbers? You did 1 multiplied by 96 would give you 96. Did you try 2? Yes. 2 multiplied by what will give us 96? 48. Another number that can multiply by another to give you 96 is 3. And that will be 3 multiplied by 32. That will give us 96. Then we have 4, which is multiplied by 24 to give us 96. Then we have 6, which is multiplied by 16 to give us 96. And then we have 8 multiplied by 12 to give us 96. These are numbers that multiply into each other to give us 96, which you would have gotten by now. Now, from here, let us write down our factors of the number 96. Factors of 96. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48, and 96. Are these the factors that you got? If you did, bravo. If you haven't gotten it, go through it again and try with another number. Thank you.